today's topic is very interesting and informative, and that is Google AdSense program and affiliate marketing. Are you an owner of a domain or website and you needing funds to keep your website running? Or your site or sites are the only ways for you to earn income? No matter what you are, you need cash. Only affiliate marketing may work well for all your cash demands. Affiliate marketing help you to get a lot of cash which you can put into your vaults. If you operate a website and you have a good number of traffic over it, then why not you choose the right platform like Google AdSense program? What is the right and profitable way in affiliate marketing? Remember, if we consider the flow of traffic which already be on websites and the owner was getting the earning by affiliate links, suddenly he noticed the change not only in traffic but also in the sense of revenue. Why so happens? Which thing changed the whole scenario? It is because of traditional way of working on website or something else? Yes, certainly not. It is the Google AdSense program which teaches and guides the user with the real and nice tactics to establish the website by every aspect before offering him the ads. And after that, smooth and constant traffic, even civilized one, runs over the website. It is not an end, because it is a start of a real tremendous speed of journey towards the successful future. Google AdSense program and affiliate marketing go side by side. Here Google AdSense program and affiliate marketing go side by side with the user. User simply goes into sign up parties for new contracts and put the ads and searchable material over the Google searches to push the sales, and Google AdSense program provides the relevant ads over the website as according to the content of the website. Now the relationship or agreement made between two parties. One agrees to let advertise his products and other agrees to promote them with a negotiable payment method or designed payout structure. Without this relationship or otherwise, a businessman have to sell his own products, then promote or advertise the other businessman's good on his site. But affiliation makes easier the workload of the both parties, and they get their achievable targets very easily rather than they bear the disturbance of the workload. Stone in the way. Role of Google and Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a sort of an affiliate marketing program, and here Google play as the intermediate between affiliates and the user or merchants. Along with these similarities, there are also some differences in Google AdSense. All the website owners have to put or place a code on their websites, and Google takes care of the rest, and the ads by Google placed on the sites would normally relevant to the website's content, and in this way visitors on the sites get more inspired by the items or products which would be advertised on the sites. Google AdSense program led to use the tracking tools to the users, by which they can easily monitor the earnings per clicks conversion to campaigns or targets, etc. And Google also works as an overall search engine even optimizer too. And Google AdSense compensate on the other side to the affiliate in pay-per-click basis. It means the advertisers would pay for the ads on the pay-per-clicks basis. if they would have been set it as the ads goal or conversion. This pay-per-click is not only the method. There are some other methods like pay-per-lead and pay-per-sale, also used by Google AdSense for compensation. So with the help of Google and Google AdSense, a lot of time, effort and money can be saved and can be utilized on the affiliate marketing to get more profit. Thanks a lot.